Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this sub-series, we are looking at building functions. Now let's look at some of the frequently used string functions like length, left, right, and substring. To explore a string function, we are using the employee table from pub's database. So there are three columns: first name, middle initial, and last name. These together forms a person's full name. So first name, middle name, last name. So usually in a database application, people will use biparted names because at runtime user can stitch whatever name they want. Say for example, if application needs only first name and last name, then it's possible to skip the middle in it. Alright, here we take first name, middle initial, and last name. Here if you see last name plus, this is what called concatenation. When we use the plus operator, the string will be stitched together, and last name we are appending a comma, then middle initial. After that we are providing a space, then finally we are displaying the last name. So it will look like last name comma then initial, say for example M, then there will be a space, blank space, after that last name. So like this full name will get displayed, and we set a alias name as full name because we stitched three columns, column 1, 2 and 3. So together they forms a full name, and here we used the plus to concatenate the string. Here the function left will cut the string from the left side. So for example, this is the string. Let's state this is a string which contains 20 characters in it. The left will take the string from the base datum. From here up to 3 it will take. Left of 3 means this one. Similarly, right of 3 means 3 characters from right side. So if you see clearly, left and right is useful to split the string from left or right position. Or you can also use a substring. Here if you see, so let's state that L name, this is the L name. We are stating that take string from second position and length 3. So we are asking to cut down the string. So this is what called a substring. When we go to the demo, the time we can see it more clearly. Then we have the function length. To length we can pass the string, and that will calculate the string length. Here if you see, since the string is 20 character long, it will tell length is 20. So the length will be useful when data type is varchar, because that is the variable character, right? Varchar means if you say varchar of 100 and if a string is only 15, then length or the string will occupy only the 15 character wide. So the time if you use length, it calculates the length properly. Alright, now let's go to the demo and see how it works. So we are already in pubs database here. Let's execute it, and you can see full name, here made a mistake, use f name, or this should be f name. So if you see, we stitched the string together, and if I take a perfect example here, if you see all three parts available here. Last name is Tonini, first name is Daniel, and middle initial is B. So we stitched it together and displaying this as a full name using the concatenation. Okay, then just we displayed the last name only here. So left of last name, let's take this example, L name comma 3, and if you see DOM, so that's the 3 character from left, and that's displayed here. If you take one more example, ROE, 3 character. Similarly, when we use right, the character will be cut down from right side. So UES, you can see that. Substring 2, 3. At the second character position, 0 is there, and the length is 3. That means 0 MI. So OMI is displayed here. So the length function calculates length of the last name. And if you see, the length of the last name is 4. Here it is 6. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.